Hey guys, I'm Sonika. One of the biggest challenges for a photographer is to give a sense of depth to their images. Make a two-dimensional image look like a real three-dimensional one. So let's see how we can do that. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's photography tutorial, we will discuss how to add depth to our photos. And there are many techniques that we can use to add depth to our photos. And I'll give you 10 such tips guys that will really help you have depth in your photos. So let's get started. Photographing a subject at a far distance directly can make the subject look a bit dull and flat. Try to include an object of interest in the foreground to enhance the sense of depth. This leads the viewer's eye through the scene. It starts from the foreground and extends to the subject behind. Leading lines are everywhere, from carved highways to city streets. So get into the habit of constantly being on the lookout for them. Incorporating one or more leading line into your image is a short way to add more depth to your image. Photographing with a wider angle, that is zooming out, helps us capture more in our frame. It naturally exaggerates the perspective in the image, enhancing the depth automatically. As you are looking to add foreground, try to use those foreground objects to create a natural frame around the subject in your photograph. It enhances the depth in your scene as this guides the viewer through the scene. In addition to clicking all your images in a landscape orientation, also tilt your camera and click a few vertical shots. You may be able to capture a whole new viewpoint with a vertical orientation.
It is not compulsory to click all your images at your eye level. Changing viewpoint has the added benefits of providing more foreground interest and also creating a less familiar, more intriguing composition.
It is helpful to break the photo up into a different set of thirds: the foreground, middle ground and background. Having 3 zones in your image, zones that are distinct yet linked, will help create depth and three-dimensionality in your images. Having a blurry background and a sharp subject automatically creates three-dimensionality in your images. The blur helps separate the subject from the background and ultimately creates a sense of depth. Visually, the space between 2 parallel lines diminishes as the lines recede, drawing the eye with them as they run towards the horizon and ultimately appear to converge at the vanishing point. By photographing elements situated along the parallel lines, you can very clearly define the different layers in your image. A glass surface provides a full physical divide between the different layers in your image. Let the glass function as your middle ground and incorporate elements on either side to represent the foreground in front of the glass and background beyond the glass. With a little practice, emphasizing depth in your photos will become second nature. And in case you found this video to be useful guys, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. There is my previous photography tutorial about the rule of thirds. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.